Hi guys, welcome to the second project in the last video of the Weekend Dev Challenge 27. So in the previous part, we had worked on a driver analysis. So in this part, we'll be working on a song stats analysis project. So in this song stats, what we'll be doing is, Chef has recently launched a mini music platform called Chefify. Here we have to, he's struggling to analyze the data manually. So we have to analyze the data here and stuff like all songs, top streamed songs, most frequent artists. So he has to make all the list and see how to implement it on the to scale the app or whatever the website he has created. Now let's see the requirements. First is return all songs, return top streamed songs, most frequent artists, most popular genre by streams. All right, so first is return all songs. It is simple. Select star from songs table. Simple. First query is done. Second query, top streamed songs. Highest streams is first. Basically, we should do only top five. Top five highest number of streamed songs. Now, how do we do that? Is select from the songs table. With the number of plays, we have to arrange in descending order. Limit to only top five. Simple. So basically, select star from songs. Order by stream. So basically, what is the number of streams is number of plays in the descending order. That is the highest number of streams first. Limit to the top five. So we'll get the top five. Simple again. Now, most frequent artists. Count songs by artist top five. All right. How do we do this most frequent artist? Is let's see the workflow first. Group songs based on artist name. Count how many songs each artist has. Calculate how many total number of streams of each artist. Rank them with the most streams overall. All right. First, select artist. So we have to select the artist and followed by the total number of songs that artist has, that is using the count star. And now, sum of streams. So this basically shows total number of streams. So total number of times that particular song has been played of that particular artist. Now, this is from the songs table. Group by artist name. So we have now the artist with the song. Order by, so basically we have to arranging in the descending order of the total streams, number of streams played, number of times the song has been played in descending order, limit to top five. We'll get the top artists. After that, most popular music genre. So basically we have to again do the same thing like we did for music, now with the group genre, that is for the genre. Now select genre, sum, total number of, take the sum from total number of streams, order by the total streams in descending order. So basically you have to group all the songs by the genre and then we have to arranging it in a descending order by the total number of streams, total number of times it has been played, limit to top five. Simple, right? So let me run the program. Here we don't have any join or anything as such. This is with simple programs. All right, so you can see all songs. Here we have all the songs. That is everything, the top 20 songs. Now, most streamed songs, we have to see that it is arranged with the total number of streams. Natu Natu, Kesariya Chaleya, Shape of You, and Rata Lambiya. So these are the some certain top played songs. Top artist is total number of streams you can see. This is the top artist. Ajit Singh is in the first one, followed by Ed Sheeran. The Weekend similarly. Now, popular genre is Bollywood, 5240 streams, pop is 3340, Telugu pop is 1630. Similarly, this is what the analysis is done. Now, let me submit the program. I hope you guys understood the solution. If you have any doubts, let me in the comments below. I'll make sure I'll answer them all. So the test cases have passed, and that's it for this video. That's it for this weekend as well. I'll see you in the next weekend. So if you want to practice more such problems or get yourself ready for interviews, then you can go pro on CodeChef. You can practice all these problems on your own on the CodeChef platform. So head to the CodeChef platform right now and give this a try, and I'll see you in the next weekend. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.